Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you the Luna toy. It's a Ethereum 2. It's launching very soon. In this much is the Airdrop you can claim. 5% people making Airdrop from this Torah. And in the clicking Airdrop you can see after 2 days and 6 hours, maybe 7 hours, this Luna 2 will be launched and going to get a prize. And how you can claim this Luna, it's very simple to claim. I tell you, the first Luna 1 come in the price I show you, and this is the price of Luna 1. You see all the price. This will be go very high. You can see maybe $50 one day. And this is Luna 1, and this will be going to be the Luna number 2 2.0. And you can claim this Luna after 2 days and 6 hours and 57 minutes. This Luna will be launched in the coin market, and you can see the price, how much this Luna going to, and you can sell it. Okay, what you do to buy, just click in the three dot and just click copy link and go to your Trust wallet. Okay, go to Trust wallet, click this three dot, the apps. For the buying you need Binance Smart Chain. The app, click it and come in the top, paste the link, you copy it and click enter. Okay, this will be going to that account, and just click this one to change it to Smart Chain. Okay, and click Airdrop and come down and just click claim 100 Luna. Okay, just click it, wait few seconds, show you a smart contract call. Okay, every 100 Luna take will be $1.07, and with fees 1.21 cent. This will be ticket. I just click approve. I put my wallet address, password. It's loading, and you can see I buy Luna, and in here show you a smart contract. This will be calling a smart contract. You can see I buy my Luna. I come down in here, I have right now this much Luna. Okay, 100 it will be grow after 2 days. This will be go very high amount. Okay, I tell you how much this will be go. Okay, we buy 100 Luna in 1.21 cent. Okay, and we buy it, and how much is the 1.21 cent dollar? We buy 100 Luna. Every Luna price, this will be go for right now for has is this much price is to sell has the Luna. Every 100 Luna, one Luna price is going to 0.0121. Okay, and maybe this Luna price go to 0.2. That was wonderful to you can earn every 100 Luna for $20, and that's the best price you can sell. And for that you just come very fast buy this Luna, and this price is going little bit higher. The price will be show you, then you sell your Luna without anything. You just sell it, and that's it, that's finished. You make your money. And I have much more cryptocurrency like Solano, the app. I told you how you can buy Solano and how you can buy this new crypto. This is another BNB yields crypto. This will be launched after maybe 60 days. And I have this much coin, another coin available in my balance. I will be show you how you can buy these coins, and this all cryptocurrency price will be go. I sell it. Just first come faster buy Terra 2, it's a loaner. Faster can buy this one, because this one will be showed the result after maybe 2 days, 7 hours. And that is wonderful. Thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. Click the link. After you clicking the link, show you like this, just click the three dot, copy the link, and come in your trust wallet, click the app, paste your URL in the top in here, and just click enter. Okay, for that, after you clicking enter, just change your ethereum to smart chain. After that, just click airdrop, come down and just click buy. Okay, that's very simple. You clicking buying, and you can make much more amount of money. Thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, buy faster than you didn't realize this price will be go very high after that, and you can maybe you can make much more amount of this one. Okay, it's too easy to buy. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.